Dear comrades of Ella, my name is Osman İşçi, and I am the International Affairs Officer of the Confederation of Public Employees Trade Unions, KESK, in Turkey. On behalf of my confederation, I would like to extend my warmest regards to all of you and to the whole Ella family. KESK thanks you for your kind invitation to your 15th Congress that is being held in Bilbao on 14th and 15th of November. First of all, KESK wishes you a success in your Congress. It's a pity that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, KESK is unable to physically attend the Congress. Yet our heart is with you. We, as KESK and Ella, may live in different countries, namely Turkey and the Basque Country, but we have the same cause. We struggle for our common objectives, building a better society and building a better world for all of us through labor and trade union struggle. This is why we are in continuous solidarity. KESK is fully aware that we can count on you. Please be sure that you can count on us too. We will continue to struggle together until we win. It is certain that our struggle will shorten the victory day. Once again, KESK expresses its warmest regards to all of you. We will see each other before too long. Long live Ella, long live KESK, long live international solidarity.